Hello traders, welcome back to Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, you will discover the best stock trading platform and apps that can give you an edge in the market. From powerful charting solutions to advanced master asset platform, each option has unique strengths that can transform the way you trade. So stay tuned till the end of this video, because by the time you finish watching, you would have and you would know exactly which platform fits your trading style and how to use it to maximize your results. We start by understanding the stock trading platform. And stock trading is the process of buying and selling shares of public traded companies with the goal of making a profit. When you trade stocks, you're essentially purchasing a small ownership stake in the company, and your profits or losses depend on how the stock price moves after you buy or sell. However, you cannot simply walk into a company and buy their shares directly. This is where trading platforms and apps comes into play. A trading platform is essentially a software that connects you to the market through your broker. Think of it as a digital command center where you can view live prices, analyze charts, place orders, and manage your portfolio. Some pla- some platforms are web-based, meaning you access them through your browser, while others require you to download the desktop software or mobile apps. The key differences between the platform lies in their features and capabilities. Some are designed for beginners with simple interface and basic tools, while others cater to professional traders with advanced charting, automated trading capability, and lightning fast execution speed. Your choice of platform can significantly impact your trading performance, or so understanding which offers is crucial. What to look out for when choosing a trading platform. There are key things you need to look out for when choosing a trading platform. And the first you will need to look out for would be your user interface and ease of navigation. The platform should be intuitive and not overwhelming, especially during high stress trading moments. The second will be real time data accurate and speed. That's delayed or incorrect price feeds can cost you your money in a fast moving market. The third will be the charting tool and technical indicator, essential for analyzing price pattern and making informed trading decisions. Other types available: beyond basic buy and selling order, look for stop losses, limit orders, and trailing stop. The fifth will be mobile accessibility. You will need to be able to monitor and adjust your trades while away from your computer on your mobile devices. Research and analysis tools. Company company finances, news feeds, and market analysis can help inform your decision. Security features such as your two-factor authenticator and encryption to protect your account and funds. The customer support quantity or quality, quick response when you encounter a technical issue or have questions. The last but not the least is your commission structure and fees. Hidden fees can eat into your profits over time. So let's look at and understand what the trading platforms are and what to look for. Let's dive into the specific platform that dominates the trading world. Each of these platform has carved out its own niche, and understand their strengths and weaknesses will help you make the right choice for your trading journey. Now, the first platform would be called is called the MetaTrader 4, and is a grandfather of trading platform, and it is And even though it was released in 2005, it remains one of the most widely used platforms in the world. Originally designed for forex trading, the MT4 has expanded to support stocks, CDFs, commodities, index through various brokers. The platform ensures popularity comes from its simplicity and availability. When you open your MT4, you are greeted with a straightforward interface that doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. The charts are clean and functional, and to place trades are intuitive. You simply right-click on the chart and select your order types. Either you go through your buy limit, your sell limit, or your sell stop, whatever means you need. The MT4 does have limitations that become apparent when compared with newer platforms. The user interface looks dated, and while functional, it lacks the modern polishing that many traders expect today. The platform is also limited in terms of native technical indicators. You get the basics like the moving averages, RSI and MACD, but for more advanced analysis, you will need to download custom indicators. Now, the next platform we would look at for our stock trading would be Think or Swim. Think or Swim is another trading platform that is a trading professional grade trading platform designed specifically for active stock and option traders. This platform has earned a reputation as one of the most comprehensive trading solutions available for retail traders, offering institutional level tools without the institutional price tags. The platform excels in option trading analysis, providing sophisticated tools for complex option strategy. You can visualize your profit and loss scenarios, analyze Greeks and execute multi-leg option trades with ease. The option chain interface is particularly well designed, making it simple to find and analyze option contracts across different strikes price and expiration dates. What makes the Think or Swim special is its integration or TD humanitarian research and education research. You can access the fundamental analysis, any report, analysis rating and educational con ten t directly within the platform. This makes it an excellent choice for traders who want to combine technical and fundamental analysis. Now let's look at some key features of the Think or Swim. The first will be its advanced option analysis and trading tool. The second will be customizable workspace with multiple monitor support. The third is the paper trading simulation environment. The fourth will be the integrated news and research from multiple sources. The fifth is the sophisticated scanning and screening tools. The sixth is the mobile app with full trading capabilities. That leads us to the next trading platform that we can use in trading our stocks market, and the next trading platform is called the MetaTrader 5, and it represents the next evolution of the MetaTraders family. It was released in 2010. The MT5 was built from the ground up to address many of the MT4's limitations while expanding the capability to support direct stock trading, futures and option alongside the traditional Forex and CFDs. The most significant improvement in the MT5 is its multi-access capability. Unlike the MT4, which primarily handles the CFDs, the MT5 also connects directly to stock exchanges, allowing you to trade actual shares rather than contracts from different This means that you can access major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, the Nasdaq, the London Stock Exchange directly from this platform. The MT5 also features an advanced and enhanced charting system with 21 time frame compared to MT59 time frame. For algorithm trader, the MT5 offers superior backtesting capabilities with its multi-trend strategy tester. This means that you can run multiple backtests simultaneously, dramatically reducing the time needed to optimize and test your trading strategy. This platform also supports more sophisticated programming to the MQL5, which is more powerful and flexible than the MT4's MQL4. Those are the advantages of the MT5, which leads us to the next platform known as our TradingView TradingView platform. Now, the TradingView is the most revolutionized platform how traders approach your technical analysis and social trading areas. Unlike your MT4 and MT5, your TradingView isn't primarily an execution platform. It is a web-based charting and analysis powerhouse that has become gold standard for technical analysis across all financial markets. Now, what makes the TradingView exceptional is its charting capabilities. They perform This platform offers institutional grade charts that are both beautiful and incredibly functional. You can analyze any financial instrument from stocks and Forex to cryptocurrency and commodities, all with the same high-level charting tools. The interface is clean, modern, and intuitive, making it accessible to beginners while providing the depth that professional traders need. Now, the platform offers subscription trials from a free version with basic features to professional plans that includes advanced features like multi-chart layouts, multi-chart layouts, extended history data, and priority customer support, even when the free version is remarkably capable, offering real-time data for most major markets and a comprehensive set of technical indicators. One of the TradingView's strongest feature is its alert system. You can set up alerts based on price action or price levels, technical indicator signals, or even custom pine script condition. These alerts can be sent to your mobile phone, your emails, or can be pushed in the app, can push a notification on the app playing sounds, or can be used with third party service through webhooks, allowing you to automate parts of your trading workflow. However, the TradingView has a limitation, and its main limitation is execution. While the platform has partnered with several brokers for direct trading, the execution capability are not as robust as dedicated trading platform. Many traders use the TradingView for analysis only and then switch to their preferred broker's platform for actual trade execution, which can create some workflow friction. That leads us to the last trading platform we use in trading our stocks, and it is called our cTrader. Now, the cTrader is a presentation for the modern evolution of trading platform design. It is built specifically for your electronic communication network, which is your ECN trading environment. Now, this platform focuses on transparency, speed, and a sleek user experience that appeals to both retail and institutional traders. The first thing you will notice about the cTrader, it is clean. It has a clean design, a modern interface. Unlike the dated appearance of your MetaTrader platform, the cTrader feels very contemporary and intuitive. The platform uses a modern design which can arrange different components like charts, market watch, and other entries exactly how you want it. This level of customization means that you can create a workspace that perfectly match your trading style and preference. Now, the cTrader execution model is particularly impressive because the platform is designed around the ECN principles, which means your orders are sent directly to liquidity providers without dealing desk intervention. This results in a faster execution speed and more transparency. For algorithm trading, the cTrader uses your C programming language through its cbot program system. This is significant because the C is a widely used professional programming language with extensive library and community support. So if you are serious about developing automated trading strategy, the cTrader algorithm offers much more flexibility and power than the perpetual language used by other platforms. The risk management tool in the cTrader are particularly sophisticated. The platform calculates your risk in real time, showing you exactly how much you stand to lose or how much you stand to gain before placing your trade. You can also set a global stop loss level, maximize daily loss limits, and even configure the platform to automatically close all your positions if certain risk thresholds are breached. So the cTrader is a very modern day trading platform that has a very beautiful look and incorporates a lot of trading advanced trading tools that traders much many professional traders and institutional level traders would love and like to use. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Why not turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.